And if there are the listeners from Eastern Europe and they know that, they have this niggling thought of who am I to play big, who is going to listen to my audacious freaking questions and who is going to invest in me, what could you tell them, Naveen?
Oh my, it's really, really simple. Because remember, the system we grew up told us that you are not capable of doing anything. You need to rely on authorities to do something for you. You were told that you better not fail, because if you fail, you were dead. And what I realize is the only time you really fail in life is when you give up. Your idea may or may not work, but every idea that does not work is simply a stepping stone to a different idea and a bigger idea. So if you go back and look at Thomas Edison, he said, "I never failed 1,000 times. I simply figured out the 1,000th ways the light bulb did not work. So I actually were able to find a way that it does work." And that is what success is about. It's about 1,000 different ideas that don't work. And that's not a failure.